Alright, Midway USA just sent me this McFadden Clip Loader, the Ultimate Clip Loader. So let's see how it works. And don't subtract any man points because I have the instructions over here. But it says to slide open the reservoir cover. It says it'll hold 50. I'll just dump some in here. Close cover, gently shake the clip loader, keeping it level, and the reservoir cover on top. Okay, I see what you're doing is you're getting the bullets in this channel right in here. So, alright, so we'll get them in the channel, and it says repeat 2 and 3, which I was doing. Alright, with the end raised, slide the magazine in there, and it says that yeah, I didn't get that last one in there. It says that just keep moving it up and down to get that last one in there, which I seem to be having trouble getting that last one in there, but nonetheless it beats the heck out of holding this thing down with your thumb. So anyway, I'll keep practicing with it. There's a demo. Seems to work fairly well. This was a Ruger Mark III 45 22 long rifle magazine, and it dumped 9 rounds in there really quick and easy. And I have to work on getting that 10th round in there, see if there's a trick to it. Alright, once again, don't subtract any man points from me from reading the instructions, but with the 10th round not loading, the instructions say to magazines have different lengths. Adjust the screw that pushes the button on your mag. Adjust the screw out if the 10th round is not loaded. So it says to adjust this screw out, and I'll do that and see if it loads the 10th round. Okay, I have rotated the screw 1 turn. That's 360 degrees, 1 turn. So let's see if that loads the 10th round. And it does. So I need to work on my technique a little bit, but it does in fact load the 10th round. So too bad I had to read the instructions. Well, anyway, so it works. That's pretty cool. I like it. Take it to the range and hopefully it'll help me shoot more. Alright, I practiced a little bit, and I actually moved the screw out another half turn so that 10th round would fully seat. So it says you can pump it in and out if it doesn't work right, but actually it works just fine. And all 10 rounds are in there, nice and neat. So this looks like it's going to be a good thing. See you at the range.